The guy in the Dodge Intrepid knows what's up. He just came alongside, gave us a big thumbs up on the Lexus. Hell yeah, LS400 appreciation. That's what we're looking for. Hello and welcome to another Kyle Connor YouTube channel video. You join us at 6,000 RPM, wide open throttle, triple digits in the Lexus. Take a look ahead of us, just shredding because, of course, it's another day. We're late to the airport. We were gonna Uber and then we're like, no, Uber is gonna drive fast enough. So we hopped in the old man, the LS400. We're winding out the V8 motor right here. Listen to that nice V8. Right to the rev limiter, smooth shifts, can't even feel it. Well deep into the triple digits. This thing just cruises like a monster. Now we're stuck behind a Maserati Levante. Truly a pile of dog crap. We are heading to Norway, Alyssa.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I figured we'd bring you along for our journey. We're flying Iceland Air, which we've done a couple times, but we have no status at Iceland Air. Should be kind of interesting to see how this goes. We're going to Reykjavik first, and then from Reykjavik to Oslo. Once we land in Oslo, we're then going to go, I guess, hop in an Uber or a cab or something, and go to the Volkswagen press office and pick up an ID Buzz, which will be cool.
Yeah.
And then the day after we land, we're going to play around with some Neo stuff and do the battery swap station. So those will be videos coming on Out of Spec Reviews, but I thought we're late to the airport. We don't know if we're going to make the flight. We had been ripping the Lexus to get down there. I just finished filming with the Hummer EV. Time got away from us a little bit. What happened there?
Well, first off, of course, we're coordinating again. We have the same color jackets on.
Oh, really?
Yep. So first I had to drop the dogs off at my sister's because she has work. She does 12-hour shifts. She's a nurse. So she was sleeping today. So I didn't want to bug her to go and get them. So I had to drop them off. He had to film. We had some last minute packing. I am 100% positive our bag is going to be too heavy.
Yes.
So we're going to have an overage charge, but that's completely fine. And
if they allow an overage heavy, they might just say...
No, I already looked it up because I was prepared.
Okay.
I think it's 70 pounds is pretty much.
And we are just arriving to fine airport parking. This is where most of the media vehicles are kept when we arrive, so this is where we decided to park the Lexus. And I think we're doing okay on time. We shaved a ton of time off on the drive over here. Got super lucky that there was no major traffic. You should see how many EV charging plugs they have in this place.
Oh, really?
So we did indoor parking because the old man deserves to be inside. We did not do valet because I don't want them moving this thing around. All right, so I just need to scan my little situation. And can we just park wherever?
I guess.
It says row E, indoor shuttle pickup, row E.
Oh, well, what does the thing say?
Big truck parking only. Well, any indoor spaces where we can park this thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and take a look. This is where all the press cars are kept when people fly in. And then all of the charging, look, you'll see a whole bunch of Teslas here. Just a row of EV charging. I mean, there's got to be 100 spaces. It's insane. And it just goes on this way, too.
Right.
If I come up here, look to the right, you'll see plug-in hybrids, Rivian. Yeah, all of these are charging spots. The whole row, I think, or just until there, I guess.
XC40.
Yeah. All right, well, let's go find a spot to park this situation. And that'll be that. We are in 824D by Lexus.
That is definitely 25.
All right, so you think that's 25? Oh, 825. Yeah, good eyes. Okay, we're here. We got 10 minutes to get the bag in to check in. Otherwise, we get a hard cutoff. So let's motor. That was the slowest shuttle ever.
Yeah, he stopped and waited for nothing to happen and to pick up nobody for 5 minutes.
We gotta go.
So we are down this way, right?
We gotta go up one.
We gotta go. Yeah, what's your guess on the weight of the bag?
Oh, feels like a 70-pounder.
I hope it's less than 70.
Yeah, it's borderline.
Borderline.
The timing too, we're about an hour later than we already thought we were. She doesn't know if our bag's gonna make it, but I'm gonna see if my fast stuff gets me there quicker than Alyssa. It's a dash, and we have to take the train all the way to sea. They said our plane's boarding right now.
Beat you.
had all the old ladies in wheelchairs in front of me.
Oh God. So I binge bought, this is $50 worth of snacks here because we haven't eaten today.
Flights are delayed, so let's go get some food. And got us an exit row together with the middle seat that's empty.
Wow. Big moves, bud.
Yeah.
How delayed is it?
I don't know, normally I fly, Star Alliance, and it's just like, here's seat 1A, sir. This is like, we got to negotiate for some good seats.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You do a good job.
Yep, all good.
That person brought a whole Kirkland pizza with them.
Let's go get some food.
Okay. Here comes our plane. It was mighty delayed, so I'm curious to see if our bag still makes it, even though we didn't make the cutoff, but we did. So that'll be interesting. We have our snacks. We did get some food and got a nice water bottle, and yeah, we should be good to go. We even changed our seats, so we got some exit row seats, and should be a good 10-hour flight.
The plane was late. Why'd we even rush? Got to exercise the old man, though, get some carbon out of that motor. We just hung out here, ate some food, no rush.
But it wasn't that late, though.
Yeah, I think we could hammer down on this flight, and then we'll make our connection to Oslo. We don't know if our bag will make it, but who cares? Alright. There's our plane. And I think we have plenty of time to make our connection, don't you think, Alyssa?
Yeah.
Should be good. Pretty neat little staircase situations they got going on here. Those worked out pretty well.
Right.
Welcome to Iceland. We just walked in. As soon as we walked in, the power went out. So now we don't really know where to go. All right, I'm gonna check what gate we have to go find, and then we gotta find passport control.
She said it was upstairs.
Upstairs. Well, I say we walk. Ah, there we go. Nice.
I made it through.
They got this airport down to like a 1 hour buzz, and then it dies.
Oh,
Yeah, I think everyone just comes here for the 1 hour rush, and everyone leaves. So we're just at the taxi stand, and they let you choose what kind of car you want to ride in. You can ride in, looks like a Lexus ES 300H, a Mercedes diesel, or we can just take a Tesla Model Y, which is the cheapest option. Of course we're going to do that. Book the taxi, 800 krona. I don't know how much that is, but what a cool system. And so then we're just going to take a photo of this. Oh, I'm already just loving this. How is a Model Y the cheapest option? Tesla Model Y, license plate ED77491 is what we're looking for. And we're going to the Volkswagen press office, and they're going to be here in 3 to 5 minutes to pick us up. And I guess we pay the dude in the car? I don't know. But 800 krona, I have no idea how much that is.
I don't know.
I forgot the translation. Have a nice ride. Thanks for choosing an eco car. Together we make a difference. Nice. That works out. I don't know which one it is, but there's two Model Ys ripping down here. Pretty sick. We have arrived over to Mueller Mobility Group. I don't know how to say it, but we're here to pick up an ID Buzz. So we had the best taxi ride on the way over here.
I feel like every Norwegian is very hyper excited about their country.
This dude loves Norway, loves electric cars, loves his Model Y. We talked all about how he charges it, all the different electric cars. He told us all about the different color plates we need to look for. White is private owned, green is a company car, and blue is a government vehicle. So like that one's registered as a company ID Buzz, but then this one's registered as a private ID Buzz. Yeah, cool. Couple ID Buzzes around here. There's an orange one over there. There's this one. They had mentioned that we're going to be taking a cargo version, which is that silver one up there. So we're just waiting for the guys from Volkswagen to drive over. It's on a Sunday. Really nice of them to come into the office to let us borrow a car, you know, today. And then also we have the Model 3 waiting for us in a parking garage. We'll pick up probably tomorrow morning. Marcus left it there and he dropped me the phone key to my phone. So we're good. Alyssa, it's your first time seeing the ID Buzz in person. Now, I've made a few videos with this vehicle. I think over 4 or 5 videos up to this point. This is a spec. Big wheels. It's got the good interior. What do you think about this thing?
It is a big box.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. I'm curious to see how it drives.
It drives just like an ID4.
Oh, really?
Yep, almost no difference. Just a little bit longer. The one we'll get in America will be bigger than this. But I was thinking maybe for the German office, we get one for there.
Oh, yeah.
What's funny is all of these chargers here are only 3 kilowatt, but that's really all you need. Just a bunch of low power chargers everywhere. This one says, I really don't even know what it says. But yeah, all 3.1. Got to get the 0.1 in there. Kilowatt chargers. Pretty sick. Loving it here. Well, you join us in the ID Buzz. We're not getting the cargo version. We're getting the cool passenger one. And a huge thank you, I believe, to the CEO of Volkswagen Group Commercial for Norway, who has loaned us his personal car because they didn't have any press cars. So this is like not even a press car. But they said they had it like fully detailed. It's got software 3.2, I think. This one's a pre-series model, though. This one's not a production car. I don't even know if it has a VIN number, but it's his company car. Let's see what software we're on, and we have to put it in English, of course. But ID software, I don't know what any of this means.
Please wait.
Please wait, baby. 3.2, baby. I don't even know what it gives you over 3.1, but excited.
It needs a roof.
Yes, it needs a giant glass roof.
Yeah, that would make the car.
Yep, I agree. 100%. Not available yet, but hopefully soon. And you can open the doors in tight spaces like this because it's a minivan door.
Minivans are always practical.
Yep, underappreciated. Love it. Well, let's go have some fun with the Buzz.
So I just put in a food court that we're gonna go to, so we have lots of options and different things that we can try. It looked nice, and we haven't been to a food court in a nice high-end food court like we used to have in Raleigh.
Right, we haven't been to one in probably a few years now. Nice Ionic 5. We're gonna make a whole video of just EV spotting. Oh, 500E, look, there you go, the new one. You can tell it's always electric when the license plate starts with an E as well. And I think it's like EV were the first ones, and now it's EK and then EC. But like, I want to say, I think it was EV or EL, that's right, because that Model S had an EL plate. EL were like, those were the OG EV drivers here in Norway. I'm always a little bit of a license plate nerd. I like to figure out when people got their cars and stuff like that. So, but take a look at this. We're just cruising through Oslo right now. It's funny, we're following a Honda Accord, which was actually an Acura, was it a TSX in the US? That was never branded as a Honda Accord in our market. Following an iX. Look at this. This is the Peugeot version of the iMeave. Never seen one of those before. It's just eye candy everywhere. Leaf, original Ioniq, i3. I mean, literally E-Up. It's every car is electric here. It's insane. We have a Model 3 behind us. Oh, there's the first 2 combustion cars and then a Leaf. Anyway, pretty insane. So we're gonna make all the videos, do all the things, but first I feel like I need to shower. But I don't think we can because it's 1 p.m. right now, and we gotta go on a little bit of a road trip in the buzz, go see some beautiful scenery. So we spoke to Alexander, who handles the press cars for Norway for Volkswagen. He's like, the route that we proposed to take for the out of spec motoring video, he was like, yep, 100% go for it. Yep, looked like there was a 300 kilowatt charger there. Pretty sweet. Just awesome to see all of the electric cars around. And I hear iX is like one of the most popular cars in Norway right now. Pretty sweet. B-Class electric, Enyaq, Mini Cooper S electric. Well, let's go get some food, shall we?
Yeah.
First meal in Norway. Looking pretty good so far.
What is that? Sriracha?
That? I don't know.
Sriracha thing.
I think we're gonna postpone a lot of the adventure until tomorrow because we've been traveling for like more than 24 hours and we're a little bit tired. So hotel it is, and then we'll pick the video up tomorrow with some more fun. And here we are arriving at the hotel. Pretty nice little spot, cozy room for sure. Nice little working area, and then a view of the water with some mountains off in the distance, hills more or less. That's really not bad. Good pick for day 1.